Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be reviewing and unpacking the last year's Ajax away kit. So here's the website where I got it from. So it's s2soccer.com, and the prices, everything's there. You can select the different sizes that it comes in. So this jersey is a tribute to Bob Marley. If you do know who Bob Marley is, I'd imagine most people do know him. So let's get into the unpacking anyway. So it's, as you can see, it's a nice blend of colours, red and black, and then the yellow and green in it as well, yellow, green and red. It's very nice. The material is quite soft, it's quite nice. The embroidery on the jersey itself is really nice, and the logo and the badge. So it comes with just the sizes and details about the jersey and all that kind of stuff. What way the material is made. So like the other jerseys, so this is the brand logo, sponsored logo on the sleeves, and then there's the main logo, and this is made by it's an Ajax jersey here already, which are labelled at the bottom. So if you see the three birds, they're kind of tribute to Bob Marley. I think it's the Jamaican kind of flag, if I'm not wrong. So I would definitely recommend this jersey if you're looking for new jerseys to buy or different jerseys to try, because I know there isn't too many Ajax supporters, or there's a fair few, but you know, they always have nice jerseys. It's a nice blend of colours, it's very good quality. So the link is in the description, s2soccer.com. and there's a 15% discount code also in the description. So if you are buying anything off the website, use this code and you get 15% off, which will reduce the price a fair bit. So I would highly recommend it, and thanks for watching, guys.